In the Supra, man. This thing is a beast. Looks so good. Downpipe tune. Yes, sir, man. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see from the Supra. Let me know what you guys want to see from the Vet, and we're gonna make sure we do that for you on the channel, man. What's going on, guys, man? We're doing a little passenger POV. Got my brother Cam. We in the Supra now. Just came from Orlando. Got a nice piece. What you got on your wrist over there, brother?
PRX action, ice blue.
Oh yeah. Passenger POV. Never seen one of these on YouTube, and I wanted to film some content for y'all. So maybe we'll get a decent pulls on the way home. We on the interstate right now. It's about 6 o'clock. We just hit the Mall of Millennia. Did some shopping. Few bags. Show y'all when we get back. Popcorns. So this 2025, if you didn't know, will be the last of the Mach 5 Supra. 2025, right?
Yeah, they're making one more, the GT.
Yeah.
GT version, street version.
Okay, and that's gonna be how much horse?
440, 439, 429, something like that. Same B58 tuned up.
So that's gonna be a big jump in horse from this.
But the thing about it is, the B58, that'll be the first motor from the factory stock to push over 400 horsepower, because none of the B58s push over 350, 370, 370, I think is for the newer ones. But yeah, that'll be the first one. You know, around 430, 440.
It's gonna have the same infotainment center.
Same infotainment. It has this
flat bottom, flat bottom or full circle.
Like this, but Alcantara. Full circle, carbon bucket seats.
Yeah, this one got the carbon.
It's a nice looking car. It comes with a bigger wing.
Yeah.
Dope. Wheels, pretty sick. So it's exciting.
You think it's gonna come factory with the pops? Because you know a lot of 2023s and 4s don't really sound like this factory with the pops.
I'm sure the sound is the same, probably.
You know, Maddox didn't sound like this.
Yeah.
And he had the 23, the A90 edition.
45th anniversary.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, these things sound crazy, man. You guys get a downpipe on it. They sound insane. I just need an intake so I can really hear that turbo.
Yeah.
Downpipe open it up a little bit.
Facts. You should ask for one of them for Christmas. Yeah, man. For the Vet guys, my lady bought me the Z06 front grille. You know, I got the Z51, so it got that shark mouth in the front. She bought me the Z06 grill. I'm super excited to see you guys, to let you guys see that. So I'm gonna vlog that, and I'm gonna do some Instagram reels. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Got a whole truck full of Cybers. What y'all think about the Cybers in the comments, man? They're actually pretty cool trucks. I mean, they ain't live up to the hype like they, thought. Some people was buying them for like 200 grand.
Yeah, they were super inflated when they first hit the market. But
now it's just a old piece of aluminum foil.
Appreciated in value. If you bought a Cybertruck when they first came for $200,000,
you sold negative equity, bro.
Your stomach.
You might as well crash it into a tree.
Your stomach is really twisted right now because, I mean, dumbest thing you can do. For a piece of sharp.
Nothing more therapeutic, man, than a night drive in a nice car on the passenger side. It's really rare that, you're seeing this content from the passenger side. Usually you'll get, this content.
Oh, yeah.
But it's nothing better than that, man.
All that traffic up
under the bridge action, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Depends on if that light turn. That turbo be sounding loud too.
Never could be me. Another boat with a Ford Lamborghini. Ain't no sunshine, wind chill. It's going crazy. You made it back here pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Ah, man. Where's the audio?
The orange light in here at nighttime, just so relaxing.
It's nice. I wish they would have put some ambient light in here for sure.
Yeah, they definitely should have, because it's only one type of Supra you can get. Well, 2.0, and then this one.
Yeah.
They should have did everything.
Yeah. That's one thing I can say. Next whip for sure. We're gonna have ambient light in.
Oh, 100%. Next whip, man. All the technology.
Everything.
All the technology. I'm not gonna spare it whatsoever.
You know what I'm saying? Whether
And I need like brighter lights on my steering wheel or something.
Yeah. I don't know who go crazier with interior, Mercedes-Benz or BMW. They both go crazy.
Yeah.
Honestly, but BMW do got some hard like performance stuff that Mercedes more like a luxury type.
Yeah.
BMW, you can get the carbon buckets and still have the, you know what I'm saying, ambient lighting, all the buttons, gadgets.
Yeah.
So that's the way to go. Or Audi be snapping too now.
Nah, facts, fact.
RS6 Avant or something.
But I'd still rather have an M3.
Yeah, I do want that Avant though. If I had to choose between M3 and Avant, I'd definitely get Avant. But BMW M3, calm, definitely is the way to go. I'll do an RS7 ABT. I would definitely take that. 100%.
Yeah.
And of course, RS6 Avant ABT.
Yeah, man. Hopefully you guys had a decent Christmas, man. Hopefully y'all stay prayed up, family stays safe, man. Like I said last video, make sure you talking to God about him, not just talking to God about you. Makes a big difference. You got to have that relationship. You can't have a relationship that's one way, man. We almost back to the crib. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for what's next. We out of here. Appreciate y'all for watching. We out of here. Couple bags today, man.
Mason
But in black.